Pero siguro ang pinakamahalaga dito is not because you want to sell airline ticket, but because as a consumer, you can enjoy using these products, these services, and earn from it. Earn from it. Yun ang pinakamahalagang prinsipyo. Of course, loading stream, we've always shown to the people that you can use any device that is connected to the internet. And because we're living in the Facebook era, where devices are ever-changing, para mas madalas mo kayong makapag-like, makakonect. Kaya, we are also developing loading stream apps which can run runs iOS. So, masyado kayong excited. Nakakawa ko sa inyo. Some of our projects are yet nasa pipeline pa. It's not yet the right time to announce, but I'm allowed to at least give you an idea what we're doing. We are building our own online and e-commerce portal. We call it VMall. VMall. VMall is basically an online site where you buy things. Except that whenever you buy, it qualifies you to earn in the program. And if you have successfully built your network of consumer under your account, you will earn each time they avail products and services through your online. Marami kasi nagsabi sa atin nung nag-introduce kami ng wellness products. You remember we tried to introduce wellness products. Until today we are. Hindi nagbabago yan. Kaya sabi ng Mr. Benko, we're in a very high-tech business. High-tech sobra, parang ang bakya or ang baduy ibenta ng food supplement. Sabi nila, biruin mo, nagbibenta ako ng loto, sa atin bibigyan ka ng vitamin C. Parang hindi bagay. Sabi namin, we understand you. So to keep that image of high-tech, we are creating VMall. So you can buy other things, including wellness products, through that site. And it will still make you or provide earnings for you in your downline. Now that VMall is the mall without wall thing. You can shop online, pay online, and do a lot of things. Marami yung nasa pipeline namin, and this is what we are going to do in the next couple of months, of course, and hopefully may launch namin lahat. We gave you Empower SIM. That's because we are sensitive to your needs. Maraming mga still nagre-retail pa rin gamit ang platform natin. So, sabi nila, there are 4 things na gusto namin ma-experience, Mr. Benko. Sabi nila, mahaba masyado yung nagte-text ka ng keyword. Although marami nang dumiskarte dyan, bilib pa rin ako sa Pinoy. Yung iba, marunong mag-save sa template, sa inbox, sa outbox, whatever. Maraming magagaling. Meron lang talagang iba, naghahanap pa ng mas malaking problema. So, sabi nila, mas gusto namin madaling paraan ng pag-transact. Ikalawa, gusto namin parang sa retailer kasi meron ding menu. Okay? Sabi nila, gusto namin walang cost. Kung pwede libre, libre talaga. Yun ang gusto nila. So because of those things, we worked with Smart to come up with the first ever co-branded SIM. Sa totoo lang ho, according to Smart, and I asked them, kami lang ba ang company na ginawa nyo ng co-branded SIM na nakalagay yung talagang pangalan namin at yung gusto namin nandun? Sabi nila, kami lang. Although there's another company na sinabi nila, but it's more of a strategic move rather than really provide what the customer needs. And so we're very proud that Smart Communications is very supportive sa V-Mobile to provide the technology and product services that we need. Now, closely linked to this Empower SIM is now the unique and exclusive denomination of Smart that they are creating for us. It's not under development. Ano yung special denomination na yun? Once completed, you cannot buy this product from any retailers outside. This is not for retail. This is just for members of V-Mobile who would like to use the product. And I mean, it's 300 pesos and 500 pesos prepaid product. Let me discuss to you some of its features. Sino sa inyo nakatanggap ng advisory or invitation from Smart that they can buy Turf 300 or Turf 500? At least nakatanggap kayo ng message. Meron mo ba? Wala. Alright. So, ibig sabihin, meron po. Nakatanggap po kayo. That's good, man. That's good to know. And that particular announcement is really for testing the market. The 500 features or gives you 30 days unlimited texting to all network. And at the same time, you have a choice of 150 minutes calling time on net, which means smart to smart, talk and text, smart to talk and text, and probably because they own now digital SAN. Or 90 minutes airtime to all network. So, for 500 pesos, you can enjoy 30 days unlimited texting to all network with 90 minutes airtime calling all network. That's the 500. That's exclusive only to V-Mobile. And that's prepaid. That's prepaid. If you notice, merong advertisement na nilabas ang Smart. Ang model si Ann Curtis. And they have postpaid, unlimited postpaid offering, right? One is 399 and one is 599, right? Imagine, binigay nila lahat yun for only 500 pesos para sa V-Mobile, not 599. So meron tayong 100 peso less. Except that, it's not a postpaid offering. It's a prepaid offering. So, once completed, this is closely tied up to this product because when you use that product and you use your mPower SIM, wala nang cost na texting. Wala na. Because of the unlimited texting offer. Liwanag ko yun, no? Also, we work with Smart to have our own short code. Yung sinasabi nilang vanity number. Mas tama yung word na access code. So we have our own, it's 5986, which stands for LXTM or load extreme. And it's embedded in the SIM, which means when you use the SIM, tapos may menu, hindi nyo na nakikita i-send to 5986, hindi nyo na makikita yan. When you press OK, maloloadan nyo na yung cellphone nyo. Hindi nyo na makikita pumunta pala sa 5986. Alright? So, this is the reason why we have mPower SIM. And the first of its kind, pag pinag-usapan natin ang Smart Body. One of the challenges, in fact, the number one challenge in this business is reload through banks. Do you agree? Especially pag ang ginamit nyo BDO. A lot of people think may pagpak ang V-Mobile pagdating sa issue ng reload. And let me tell you something. It's not us. Hindi ako magpipinpoint ng finger. However, our relationship with banks is very crucial. No? When you deposit your money to our account in BDO, marami ho kayo nagde-deposit. Marami. Imagine we're close to 1 million subscribers. Now, because BDO is the biggest universal bank, yung information that comes to us is no longer timely. So some of them, they arrive very late. However, ang impression, pag na-late, kami yung kabagal mag-reload. And so, in search of perfect solution, we're not just only talking to BDO. We're now currently talking to Metrobank. Kasi yung Metrobank, alam kong bangko natin yan. Pero may bayad yan dito sa Cagayan de Oro, 50 pesos. So you can't use Metrobank. So we're trying to talk to them. And we are hoping it's successful. So you can deposit to Metrobank without a charge. And so you can fund your wallet. And not only that, it will be faster. So once na deposit ko kayo, maybe in 30 minutes,